this particular stove is a solo stove. They make the huge backyard ones, which are like for your own backyard fire. This is a carrier portable version that is used for camping. And it comes inside, or actually you can get a pot that it nests inside of. That's a separate deal. But this is the stove itself right here. So this is a pot that it would come with. Not come with, but you'd purchase it separately. And here's the stove itself. And there's two different parts to the stove. This part here is if you had a situation where you had no fuel. This is kind of a separate thing as well. But this you would put in a butane fuel of some kind, and this would be able to, it's like a Carafe kind of stove you would see underneath at a restaurant or something like that. So essentially it you put your not your biofuel, but your liquid fuel could go in here, and then that would go down the bottom of your stove and be your burner. So that would be one way to use the stove if you didn't have fuel that was dry. So that would be one way to do it. That's just a backup mechanism that you would have with you. But this is the stove here. So it has an inner and outer section. So again, it's got the double wall, exterior wall, got the venting at the bottoms, venting at the top, interior portion. You got your grate at the bottom there so that the coals can go through. And this is your essentially your grate. And this has a nice feature in that when you get your pot set on top of it, you can actually add your fuel through the notch there. And this particular pot has a baler on it, so you can lift it off like that very easily. Anytime you use one of these biofuel stoves, you want to use it on a durable surface that's not going to burn, because the bottom can get hot too. This pot has nice long handles on it so that you can pull it away without getting burned. But you want to have a nice stable surface for that. So you can use it with biofuel, which I haven't used yet. It's pristine, but the reviews on it were good as compared to other biofuel camping stoves. And then this is the backup that you would use if you had wet fuel, and it just nests itself back together just like that.